Say hi, Albert. Chicken empanada. And so we just got through eating that. Got that. Let's see. Ooh, it's so pretty right here. It's sprinkling. In the market. Trying to see what snacks I want. She done came all the way over here. I guess this like the house stuff. Yeah, my stomach is so big. Y'all look like I'm pregnant. Okay, so we are at the Airbnb. The cleaner is still here, so that's why that trash bag's still here, and she brought her daughter with her. So yeah, so pay her no mind. But this is the Airbnb. So nice. We gotta see how to put the air on though, because it's really hot. And that little fan ain't doing nothing. So this is the kitchen. And then the living room. I ain't gonna go upstairs yet because she's still up there. So we're gonna go upstairs in a little bit. This is the bathroom down here. It's a little nook right here. Outside, all of these doors open, which is cute. We gotta make sure we lock them. So she finally done upstairs, so I'm about to head up here, show y'all the upstairs. This Airbnb is so cute. Okay, so that's another patio outside of here. And then we got 1 bed, 2 bed, and then yeah, you get your view out here. And that's about it. So we only have 1 shower, which is the one that I showed y'all at first. And then we got this where you can wash your clothes at, which I'm actually gonna use because I don't want to bring back dirty clothes. This was my little fit. I had on a jacket with it. My little airport fit. Okay, I've been outside taking pictures this whole time, but we getting ready to go to La Fortuna Waterfall, and then after that we're going to ride zip lines, and then we are going to the hot springs. Good to the waterfall. We just came from over there getting our wristbands, and then we're gonna go in. It's a little gift shop that they got, and then she's using the restroom. But look at the little sign, it's so cute. You way at the top, we gotta walk all the way down there. Well, the stairs are good to get down there. The waterfall. This is us before we get to the bottom. Specifically her. I walked down a bunch of stairs and she gonna have to walk right back up. So I'm trying to see how she gonna be. But oh my God. We almost there. Y'all, my legs are shaking. Like, you can't really see it, but my legs are shaking. I'm so tired, it's crazy. We almost there though. Made it. That honestly did not feel like 500 steps, but I know going up it will. hot today. I'm up in this little shop getting me a pineapple smoothie made. Yeah, it is so hot. I got a lash in my eye. Golly. Got something in my eye. All my little lashes came off yesterday. But this is the fit. Fit for today. Oh Lord. It's raining a little bit right now. But we sitting at this little pizza place waiting for 2 o'clock because that's what time the bus is gonna get us and bring us to San Jose. I got a smoothie. It's been raining almost all day. This was our van. Oops. No, back in here. Okay, this was our van. I'm gonna have to look. And this is where we are.
Okay.
Going up, going up. See? Lobby. Lobby. Got a bar in here. Okay, y'all. This is the hotel. This is the bathroom. Real cute, real cute.
Square toilet.
These are the beds. You know. TV. And that's about it. Nice little chill spot outside. Watch this.
Can I buy you a drink?
Oh, girl. I'll take it. Oh. What is it? We are at the market. I just bought a running some stuff, and I bought a bracelet, and I bought a keychain for my grandma. So we are downtown, kinda outside. How you get out the market, and then I think they like closing up a lot of their stuff. We did get here like kind of late, so maybe that's why. But yeah, they brought out every cup for her to choose from. And then they got drumsticks and thighs at this McDonald's.